Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, man, and we're back with another video, man. Today we're gonna be reacting to another set or comp of Druski's funniest moments on IG. So this is still out of Could Have Been Records. You know, I don't know what it is with this thing, man, or how he came up with this idea, but it is hilarious to me. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Drop a like, comment down below, man. Let me know what you think about these videos. If you have any ideas of what you want me to react to, let me know as well. And we're just gonna get right into it, man. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Yo, what's poppin', fuck boy? Wait.
This guy's he was liking Bad Baby's picture. Oh yeah, I remember that. That shit is funny. The man came in with the heat. Man said, "Yo, OC."
Yo, Bo is bitch. I'ma kill you. What is he doing, bro? What is he doing?
Yeah, so let me expose this nigga real quick.
He's sick. No, I didn't like her picture. Somebody was on my account, y'all. Somebody was on my account. I did not like Bad Baby. Somebody is on my account.
Man, you know the vibe. Yo.
What's up, man?
Yo, what's up, man? You know the vibe, man. We in here. Huh?
For life, we gotta say,
you snitching tonight or what?
Bunch of good-looking guys, man.
Yeah,
what
man.
y'all do?
Yeah, Druski is so weird, bro.
Huh?
What y'all do?
Collect unemployment. What about you?
now we orders.
Nah, yeah, we do art, graphic design.
Filing unemployment.
I mean, get it how you live,
Use
man.
that against him.
Yo, this thing is head shape is
yo.
funny, bro.
You guys, you know,
Yeah.
it's the least. It's the least I could do.
Hat wave. I be doing a custom hat.
Hey, but why you ain't telling these people how you like flaked on working out and shit?
You said what?
Why didn't you tell these people on how you flaked on working out and shit?
You just one more time.
This guy's so stupid, bro. We know he was about to get out of there, though.
Yeah, let's get mustard out of there.
Bro, low-key, he lost weight.
Wait, show your face. That's Thomas?
Boy,
this-
you tripping?
This is white Druski.
Thomas.
What's going on?
He said you from Atlanta. Nigga, what
Yeah.
the fuck you doing with that pink ass do-rag, nigga? You a fat nigga? Fuck wrong with you with that fake ass nigga?
See, niggas try to clout chase,
Fuck
man.
wrong with
I
you,
see.
nigga?
What chain is that,
Atlanta,
nigga?
you
Show your
wanna
chain.
know?
No. See, now I want to talk to you. Let me see that chain, nigga.
Nigga.
That shit took.
See,
nigga.
Nah, see. We
That
would
shit ain't
take
hit it, man.
Abiani, nigga,
bullshit,
where your bread at, nigga?
We don't even want to take that shit.
Where your bread?
He's a broke ass nigga. Fuck his ass up too. Broke ass nigga. We don't even want to take your chain, boy.
That shit was not hitting.
How that hurt nigga don't even want to take your damn chain.
Right?
I don't want it.
That shit is
Can't
so
even sell
bad.
it, boy.
Yeah. Which one
Yeah.
we doing this big, bro?
What you do, man?
Why these niggas always putting their head in the camera?
What you do? Like what? That don't mean that ain't good. Niggas just do everything is weird.
Like, what do you mean, bro?
Ain't no weird shit going on this way, bro.
Nigga talking about I do everything. Bitch, what?
Yeah, like, give us a list, brother.
Nigga, I do everything in the book cause I scam. I'm just talking. I don't scam, bro. I don't scam, bro.
Okay, don't invite yourself. Like I said, I snitch.
Rip.
Whatever get me out of trouble. Whatever get me out of trouble.
Listen, we snitch at Could Have Been.
You
This
feel me?
nigga
Whatever get me out of trouble.
That man said he gonna do it.
I do whatever for get me
This
out of
nigga's
trouble.
laugh is so dumb. It's so ugly.
No,
If it's gonna get me out of jail, I do it. What's his name?
what is that, cuz? What you say, cuz?
I'm telling.
It's so
Bro,
dumb,
I fuck with you the long way, though.
Yeah,
no
man.
cap.
Big dog smoking out the booth. Big boss like I'm on the truth. Mentality like pop off juice, no roof. That's my fucking coop. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog. Hey, me big dog.
Is he
Big
saying
dog like
bed
a
dog?
big pocket up the lane.
I'm a little confused here.
What's a man all it do?
Hey.
What's up?
Yo. Raps is weak.
I feel you.
They show
That
is.
big dog shit ain't it.
I feel you.
But
You taking that criticism, though?
you got the look.
Appreciate that.
Yo, where you get that chain from, man? That shit hidden.
Man, it's a little hand me down from my grandpa.
Why
man.
is this guy roasted, bro?
Hand me down shit.
I ain't gonna cap you.
Hand me down. Wipe me down.
Yeah,
You
though.
know how to do the wipe me down?
Yeah, though.
Do the wipe me down just one time, bro. You too fresh. You too fresh, bro.
Man, what?
You are too fresh. Do the wipe me down one time.
Oh, yeah.
You are way too fresh, bro. One more time. One more time. One more
So
time.
stupid,
Stop, man.
bro.
Stop piping me up, man.
No, I swear to on some real shit. Like, nigga, I know the
Wipe me
one
down.
time. One more time. Wipe me down. Just wipe me down one time. Wipe me down. Pants, shoulders, head, shoes. Boy, that nigga lost his damn mind.
Bro, what the fuck is wrong with this guy, bro? I did not expect him to fucking cut the man off right there.
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus, Lord.
Yo,
That
this
nigga hit the wipe me down.
I can't breathe, bro. That shit is
Respect,
too
my
funny.
boy.
Anytime you're looking for a deal or
Oh my
something, man.
god.
Oh, you signed a contract?
Nigga, it could have been,
Might
man.
be.
What you
how
mean?
how you feel about it?
What's up, man?
We can fuck you now.
Whoa.
Whoa.
No. In business terms, business.
Okay. Okay.
Yo,
I
what
I'm
is
picking up
going
what you're
on,
doing,
bro?
I figure you'd be cool with it.
You know,
I figure you'd be
throw me a
cool
little
with it.
deal. What we talking? What type of contract
It
you talking?
depends
Man?
on what you want to bring to the table. What you feel like you could bring.
You need like a solid street nigga. You know, I can make some shit up.
Make some
What
shit
you
up.
do? What you like? Give me an example. If something went down, let's say a nigga pull up with a gun right now to the back of my head. What you doing?
Nigga pull up with a gun to the back of your head.
Back of my head.
I'm out.
I'm finna mark that nigga for you, bro.
Okay, just all right. Put the phone down. Just show me your hands. I just want to see how your hands is. Like quick, like, fast.
What the fuck is this nigga doing?
You will get your ass whooped.
Like,
No
Boy,
kidding.
Nah, bro. I'm a secret weapon for you. You feel me?
huh?
You're wasting my time.
You gotta keep
Hey,
something.
get this nigga out of here, man. That shit is
All right,
back to-
I'm sorry, y'all. Let's get to somebody who's
What was
really
that?
gonna perform, man. What up?
Hello. How are you?
Where are you from?
I'm Manchester, but I live
Hi.
in Oregon now.
England, eh?
Yeah.
This
You
kid
heard of
is
it? What you up to?
stupid.
Oh, not much. I was thinking about getting a tip, you know,
Oh
What
yeah,
the
real
fuck is
proper.
a pip
Real
pip?
proper.
a proper thing, eh?
What's going on with your dog, mate? Is he alright?
Oh yeah, my dog's all right. Not too shabby, eh?
Yeah, for sure.
This guy's
He's a Rottweiler.
stupid.
A Rottweiler. Those
Man-
are pretty rabid, I've heard. Or
Yeah, they're rabid. Not too much though, eh? Not too pop collie.
pop collie. I've heard that. In a...
What is
Wee
wrong with
bit.
this guy, bro? This
In
guy
a
is
wee
bringing out
minute,
all
man.
the fucking
Yeah,
British
yeah.
words he knows.
I feel me like I got something for you if you want. You feel me like?
Yeah, go ahead, man. I'm with whatever. You know what I'm saying?
All right, man. You gonna throw in a beat or something? Or just acapella?
Let's do it. Just go, whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Why do you think he's always asking that shit? Like, nigga, do what you can do.
On the live with my young nigga Drew. Nigga talk shit, nigga. Who the fuck you? My niggas pulling.
Why am I
you know
moving
they
it like I
gon'
can hear
shoot.
this nigga?
I'm-
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck are you whispering for,
Yeah,
nigga?
I don't get it.
Fuck! I promise y'all. Yo. What's good, bro?
This guy good?
You look like a grandma. Are you jacking off, nigga? Fuck wrong with you, boy?
Yo, this guy is stupid, bro.
Niggas be weird, bro. I don't know.
Like, why are you answering the live like that?
Your family in there?
Yeah, my pops. But he
Let me talk
African.
to him. Let me talk to him.
He don't speak English though.
That's fine. Let me talk to him. I'm for real.
What?
I'm trying to sign your son to a dumbass deal.
He can't say
Bro,
nothing back.
where does this guy come up with this shit?
I'm trying to sign your son to a deal that pretty much locks him in for the rest of his life. He won't know what's going on when he gets in this deal.
Yeah.
I receive all the money from his contract once he gets to me. I'll be his daddy after that.
What the fuck is wrong with this guy, bro?
Good with you?
Okay.
Fine. All right, we'll get everything going.
For sure.
Yo,
Sounds good.
Bro, what? How does this guy come up with this shit? This nigga said, good with you? Yo, bro, how does he come up with this shit on spot, bro? Like, there's no way he's this funny, bro. This must be scripted, bro. There's no way.
They just don't get it, do they? Huh?
They sure
It's
don't.
nothing sweeter than getting over, man.